What you must know about crypto before day trading. Market basics. Crypto markets run 24/7, no opening or closing hours. Prices move fast, often driven by news, hype, and liquidity. Key things to understand. Volatility is extreme compared to stocks. Liquidity varies, not all coins are easy to trade. Bitcoin usually leads the market direction. If Bitcoin moves, all altcoins follow. Exchanges and fees. You trade crypto on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit. Know this before trading. Trading fees can eat your profits. Spread matters. Use limit orders instead of market orders when possible. Small cost equal big impact over time. Risk management. This is where most beginners fail. Risk only 1-2% per trade. Use stop loss orders. Never go all in. Leverage is tempting, but dangerous. It can wipe your account in seconds. Charts and basics of analysis. Before trading, learn the basics of charts, support and resistance, trends, volume. You don't need complex indicators. Simple price action is enough to start. Scams and psychology. Crypto is full of traps, fake signals, guaranteed profit bots, pump and dump groups. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Also, control emotions. Fear and greed destroy beginners faster than the market. Remember, learn the basic first, then trade small. That's how you survive and grow.